and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you probably one of my favorite book folds and actually one of the very easiest. You can put this together in 5 minutes or less. Makes a beautiful display in a library or in your living room, a mantelpiece, or as a gift. I'm so excited to share this with you. So please get started. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the Sunday tutorials. There's over 100 at this point. Happy folding. This is a stunning book fold and probably actually one of the world's easiest book folds. So you're going to go ahead into the first page and you're going to count 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to take the right bottom and take all 10 pages and fold it into the gutter like this. But don't crease it like you normally would. Leave it puffy. And then if you want to glue that in, you can, but the gravity and the tension between the pages should hold it into place once you get a few more going. Now count another 10. And go in the opposite direction. Now you're going to take the top right corner and bend it into the gutter like so. And then count another 10. And go to the bottom right and bring it up into the gutter. I was absolutely stunned when I saw this the first time and realized how easy it is, and yet so pretty. Count another 10, and you're just going to keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, until you reach the end of the book. And then whether you want to leave it plain, which I think is absolutely beautiful, or if you want to bling it up with some paper flowers or some glitter, whatever you want. That's the nice thing, the beauty of this one. Now this one actually has some pictures right here. That's up to you if you want to leave the illustrations in or out. I think it just adds more interest, but totally up to you. You can just take those right out if you don't want that. Oops, wrong way. No big deal with this one because you can just fold it right on down. Probably only have 1 or 2 more to go. As you can see, it does start to get a lot of tension in there. And that's really why you don't need any glue or anything. It just holds. So another 10. It starts to get a little tricky with all that tension. Actually, for the last 2, I'm just going to split the extra pages up so that even if it's not exactly 10, I'll have even thickness for that last few folds. Now I'm using a book that's not very big. It only has 180 pages to it, so also keep that in mind. You don't want a huge book for this project. And I like the pink there. I think that adds a little bit of interest as well. I'm actually going to add, I wasn't going to use that end paper, but I think I like that. So there you have probably the world's easiest book fold. It's stunning. It really would look beautiful on a wall. Or you could just stand it up and put it in your library. Whatever you prefer. Happy folding.